Focus on that one thing that you want in your life, and you achieve that mark, you achieve that success, whatever you desire in your life. What we do as human beings, we get distracted by 100 different things. When we wake up in the morning, we need to check our phone, and we need to check different notifications of different applications, right? What happens? All the energy that we could have utilized in doing something about our dreams, in making some plans, or working on that project that you need to complete, or working on that dream that you want to achieve in your life, what we do 100 different things, and we waste our energies. What did Thomas A. Edison say? He said that when I wake up, I focus on only on those things that are necessary. And all the people in this world, what do? They focus on different things. Such a great scientist, such a great inventor in his life, what he's saying, that I just focus on one thing, man. And we, as normal people, what we do, we focus on 100 different things, and that is the problem, that we are not moving towards the success. That is the obstacle between you and your success. If you really want to do something, be so good at that one thing that the people will remember your name. That yes, there lived a person who was a great singer, there lived a person who was a great writer. Only by that one thing the people will remember you. Only that one thing that you put all your efforts into, all your substance that you have inside of you, every effort goes towards that one thing that I want to achieve in my life. What happens then? You become so great that the world will make place for you. You want to become a writer, become such a great writer that the world will make place for you, man. You want to become a singer, a dancer, a painter, whatever you want to do in your life. You want to create some great applications, you want to create a game. That depends on you what you want to do. But become so great at that one thing that people cannot forget you, that people will remember your name. I want you to become great and legendary. I want people to remember your name. But do you want that? So just do this one thing. When you wake up, just focus on that one dream of yours, one project of yours. Do not focus on 10 different things. Focus on that one thing that you want in your life.